Hi, my name is Ron Parker, and I'm doing a video review on a really exciting WordPress theme called Electrify. If you're looking at building a website, maybe you're a web designer like myself and you haven't heard about this theme, strongly encourage you to take a few moments and go to themeforest.net, which is where we're at right now. And in the search bar, just simply type in Electrify, which will bring you to their page, the same page we're looking at right now, which will really give you all the details. I'm only going to touch on a few things in this particular video review, but I'm really excited about this. Couple standout points that I want to make about this theme is the number of skins that come included. There are 30 different looks, completely different looks, as you see right here. And really, literally, with a click of a button, you can create just a multitude of different looks, whether it's e-commerce related, or you're just doing a standardized blog, or it's a medical theme, or a business and attorney theme. You really have a great variety and the capability to customize these themes into almost any business category that you're looking to get into. Another thing I want to comment is very often when you see a demo that you really like and you say that's the kind of look I want, and you buy the theme. I don't know if you've done that often. I sure have. And one of the real frustrating things and experiences I have is after purchasing the theme to actually get it up and running so that the end result is the exact identical look as to what led you to buy it in the first place. Getting to that point can be a really frustrating experience. A lot of back and forth with the theme developer. Hey, I can't get the theme to look like what I saw that I bought. Don't worry about it. You're not going to run into any of that issue with Electrify. This thing is so simple. It literally has one-click demo install. So all the demo data that is built into the theme, you can just add that with one click. What you're seeing here is an actual site that I put up to do the video demo. It just took me a few minutes, and of course I work with WordPress, so I didn't even need to consult their documentation, but the theme does come with complete step-by-step documentation, very easy to follow, and again, there are not multiple steps. It's just really basically one step to install the demo data. Once the demo data has been installed, then basically you get to pick from a variety of different looks that you may want, those skins. So to do that, you would simply come into the back office, go to Appearance, go to Theme Options, and that'll take you to the Electrify control panel, which provides so much variety and control over the theme. Whether you're trying to modify how the header looks or the various elements on the theme, you can just add a number of elements that really give your own personal flair to it. But if you're looking at any one of these options, it's really, really simple, to be honest with you. Once you've installed the demo data, then all these views are actually already been created, and they're actually in the Pages area. So I want to show you one little thing that you might have to do that's not intuitive. Let's say you want the sports theme. You would go to All Pages and go to the very end of all the pages. Just click End, because that's where all the skins are. And here's the sports skin. And if we look at it like it is right now, I think the only thing we'll see about it that's different than the demo is this slider. And that's the only thing I've noticed about it, but that's not a big problem at all. So if we want the sports skin or any of these skins to be ours, just click Edit. That'll take you into the actual editing of that page. And what we're going to do is we're going to select the slider. See where it says Layer Slider? And when I hover over that, you see this edit box. Just click the little edit pin. Wait for that to come up. and see where it says a layer slider ID. You want to click this and just put it on sports. You want to save the changes, and then you want to click update. That's the only thing you need to do. And now when you go and you view that page, it'll look exactly like the demo. Other than that, it already looks in every respect like the demo except the slider, which that's it. You just pick the slider and there you go. And you can do that with every one of those 30 skins. So it's very easy to install. The other thing I like is this right here. This is what's called Visual Composer. And, you know, not only could I spend a lot of time talking about Visual Composer, I could spend an hour. Visual Composer is the most user-friendly way to build the elements on your page. And it's a rather expensive plugin. You can also buy that individual plugin along with Layer Slider, Revolution Slider, you know, at ThemeForest. Just the plugins alone that go into this theme that come included at no additional cost, if you were to buy those individual plugin elements, would cost you more than the theme itself. It's incredible value. But aside from that, I don't even buy a theme, any theme. I don't even care how much I like the look of the theme unless it comes included with Visual Composer. It's just so simple. So if you're not familiar with Visual Composer, I'm not going to get into that in this particular video review, but I do encourage you, go to YouTube and type in Visual Composer review or tutorial. You will, if you're like me, unless you're some high-end coder, which I am not, that's all you'll do is you'll just stick with that, and you will never vary from any theme unless it comes included, which fortunately Electrify does. So one-click install, 30 different home skins, 20 plus predefined colors, incredible amount of value just in all the plugins that come included, unlimited header variations, incredible back office settings control, and lastly, I want to show you how good this thing looks on a smartphone. These themes just look great. I mean, they just are just made for a smartphone. So I can't recommend the theme enough. Again, let me encourage you to go to themeforest.net, type in the search bar Electrify, spend some time, look at the different 30 looks, and I'm sure you'll be like me. This is a bargain. Thank you very much.